sorry. Again. Also, this kid is so nothing really. My gosh, man. Okay, so I'll post one, then now and then I'll post this one later. I'll post another part one and this kid's just recording it.
I give you one more chance. I've never been in
Yeah, you better give me one more chance.
I've never been in beach match before. It's my first time being in beach match. What do you do?
Bro, this is easy.
I love it.
It's going to get turned to hate it.
Do you like my trick?
I don't know that.
No.
Get right doing it.
Whee! Here we go.
I'm gonna get away from you very quickly.
Very quickly.
Look. Guys, this is me jumping to the water. Come here.
Mate.
Yeah, I think I killed
Uh-oh.
the tree.
Oh no. Guys, who wants to hold onto a shark with me? Who wants to find a shark with me?
This tag is long.
Look at the other one, the water.
This tag is literal long.
Why didn't they shark? Oh, there's the shark.
I'm a shark.
You're not a shark. So guys, I'm just yelling. What the? This kid's running on water. Oh no, he's supposed to do that. He thinks he's a shark.
In the middle of the night, in the silence, would you
Oh my
hold
God.
on? In the darkness, in the middle of the night, would you find in the name of love? In the name of love. In the name of love.
Shut up, little kitty. Oh my God. Right.
I can get my camera. I'm still not on top.
I do not know where this kid is.
Let's just go start a video. Why not?
I'm already starting a video. Uh-oh. My hand's stuck. Hello, guys. Oh my God. So today, we're just joking.
Don't
Today.
saw me come down here.
Oh my God.
Wait, where is this guy? Uh-oh. I mean, guys, sorry. I didn't see that guy. Oi. It's so hard. Oh.
I'm about to fall. Now I'm gone.
Okay, guys. End the video there. See ya. This is part 2, remember? Not post more. See ya.